Hello dear subscribers, today we're doing another special video for Sarah from Nashville, Tennessee. This is 1990 Subaru Sambar. The brand is the owner, as you can see. He bought it from me and now he wants something bigger and stronger from Japan, so he's selling it. It's 20,000 miles, 20,000 maybe 75 miles, something like that, not much. It's a 5-speed manual, 1990 model, with a 5-speed manual with extra low gear. It's a 4-cylinder, non-interference engine, a very nice truck. It's got that beeping noise when you put it on the rear gear. Is that still working?
Yes.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, beepy beepy. And then let's walk around. You need to put eyelashes here. Ding ding ding, eyelashes and stuff. It's still got Japanese inspection. Older one, yeah. It's an older inspection. 23, I think. Yeah, brand new tires. I put those tires when he bought it from me. We did service it. Oil changed and everything changed. Brand spanking new tires. Here's the engine compartment. We opened it. Okay, go ahead, lock it up. That's how it looks. It's locked. Here's another access. 4 bolts for the top of the engine, air filter here, carburetor, all that here. You got utility light. This works usually with the key. Here they just turn this button and utility light will comes on. It's a nice truck. No rust, I don't see much. Surface a little, but it's nothing. It's just nothing, barely. Oh, I like the sealing. This is nice sealing, very easy to clean. I love that. I wish every mini truck will have it like that. Signal works. He took radio off. He wants to put some fancy one, but you still got old one, yeah?
Yes.
He got old radio Japanese one, but it's ready to install the new one. Okay. Let me have the key. The light's working here. So it's got a button operated 4-wheel drive, and it's got also extra low gear. If you'll depress all the way to the left, this is extra low gear. It will go very slow and very powerful. Okay.
In the extra low gear, it turns on the automatically turns on.
Oh yeah, when you put it on extra low, it will automatically turn 4-wheel drive. Or you can just turn 4-wheel separately and use it on the regular gears, yeah. Okay, let's start it. Starts right up. Turn signals works. High-low beam works. Hard to see sun on the way, but it's there. Yeah, it's on the left, I can see it. At night it's visible better. 4-way flashers works. Signal works. Heat works. Got little compartment here. Everything works here. Nice, yeah. Charger here. Is that for charger or something?
GPS.
GPS, oh.
You use it to charge a phone or a GPS.
Yeah, this is very nice truck. Let's go to another side. Whispering. Engine is working good. Nice. And here's another compartment behind the seat. When you're driving, you can use this as a table. You can put stuff here. Sometimes they have even cup holder here. And front seat. Oh, from to the front?
It
Oh, okay.
just pulls straight up.
Yeah, it's just
for the.
Yep.
That's how you get.
And this is another little compartment here. And this is your radiator and washer fluid here. Yeah. Very simple. Very simple mini trucks here. Very nice. Okay. I'll make couple pictures. Did they replace the battery? Do you remember?
No,
see.
the battery was still good.
The battery is still good, yeah. It's the original battery. No problems, yeah. Okay, that's it. I think we got it all. And if anybody interested, give me a call. 937-510-8059. Sam. And I'll make a couple pictures also. Have a blessed life.